Brent crude has collapsed -6.75% to $92.86, a historic single-session move that demands your attention. In this video we break down what is driving this and what it means. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. It is Thursday, May 28th, and this is your complete global market briefing. The market is lacking a clear catalyst today, leading to choppy, two-way price action. Let us start with a quick look at how the major global markets are positioned today. Starting with the major global indices. S&P 500 is broadly flat at $7,520.36, awaiting a fresh catalyst. Investor sentiment is being shaped by global funds speed up Korea stock exit as record rally extends. NASDAQ 100 is little changed, hovering near $29,974. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Goldman says Nvidia and Micron are the biggest RE winners, 5 stocks to take advantage of it now, 24/7 Wall St. Dow Jones ticked up plus 0.36% to $50,644. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Dow moves higher, NASDAQ dips ahead of Salesforce and Marvel earnings, proactive financial news. DAX dipped minus 0.83% to $25,178. This comes as severely oversold. Wall Street says a relief rally is coming for struggling stocks as the Iran war enters its second month. Business Insider, adding pressure to energy markets. FTSE 100 is little changed, hovering near $10,505. Equity markets are responding to reports that Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Now let us turn to some of the biggest names in global equities. Meta made a dramatic move today, surged plus 3.74% to $635.25. Equity markets are responding to reports that Nvidia just revealed Meta's secret RE model led to 3.5x increase in ad clicks, 24/7 Wall St. Samsung climbed plus 2.68% to $307,000. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Samsung profit surges over eightfold to beat estimates as RE boom fuels memory chip crunch. TSMC is up plus 2.55%, trading at $422.82. Investor sentiment is being shaped by the geopolitics of RE chips will define the future of RE first. Amazon is up plus 2.47%, trading at $271.85. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Amazon Q1 2026 earnings reaction, AWS reacceleration and retail margin expansion, GoTrade. Now let us dig into the macro picture driving these moves. On the geopolitical front, this comes as severely oversold. Wall Street says a relief rally is coming for struggling stocks as the Iran war enters its second month. Business Insider, adding pressure to energy markets. This is adding a risk premium across energy markets and supporting safe haven demand. Central bank policy is at the forefront of investor minds. Equity markets are responding to reports that Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Dow moves higher, NASDAQ dips ahead of Salesforce and Marvel earnings, proactive financial news. Turning to commodities. Brent crude plunged to $92.86 per barrel, down 6.75% on the session. This comes as crude oil price falls to $92.78 as global demand softens. ECX.org, adding pressure to energy markets. WTI crude plunged to $89.41 per barrel, down 4.77% on the session. This comes as crude oil price falls to $92.78 as global demand softens. ECX.org, adding pressure to energy markets. Natural gas surged to $3.09, up 6.7% on the session. This comes as severely oversold. Wall Street says a relief rally is coming for struggling stocks as the Iran war enters its second month. Business Insider, adding pressure to energy markets. Gold slipped to $4,488.50 per troy ounce, down 0.26% on the session. The gold move is partly driven by NASDAQ, S&P 500 futures rise after record close, Goldman raises year-end target, WINVDA, MU, MNTS, ZS, MRVL, SNO are in focus, trading view. Let us give you our near-term view on Brent crude. With the selling pressure we have seen today, The key support level for Brent crude is around $87.29. A failure to hold there could accelerate the decline and attract further sellers. For a recovery, bulls need to see a fundamental shift in the drivers weighing on prices. This is our view, always do your own research. In the currency markets, Euro to US dollar is at 1.16, losing 0.05% on the day. Pound sterling to US dollar is at 1.34, losing 0.5% on the day. US dollar to Japanese yen is at 159.24, gaining 0% on the day. Currency markets are reacting to escalating tensions in the Middle East have boosted the US dollar's safe haven appeal, while hawkish Federal Reserve expectations have kept gold hovering around the $4,500 mark. Moo. Here is what we will be watching closely in the days ahead. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. If this breakdown was valuable, please share it with anyone who follows the markets. Subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a market update. We read every comment, drop your view below. That is all from MTRS_Market Pulse for today. All analysis is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always consult a qualified financial advisor. Trade safe, and we will see you in the next one. That is your full global market briefing from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe and turn on notifications for daily updates.